Hi lovelies, and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for being back here. Yeah, it's been like a month or something now. Christmas has passed. We are in 2021. I'm so glad we are in 2021. I hope you guys are too and excited for a new year. I said I was gonna do these videos before Christmas just because I was gonna do them like a gift idea for Christmas gifts. But yeah, time flew by and I was not happy with my setup. And as you see, I am now in my living room slash kitchen. And just because I have a window here and I think the light is so much better. So I hope you like this setup better. I do. And I might get some new lights and stuff just so you can get a better, what is it called? You can see the colors better for what they really are. So I don't sit in a dark corner and the colors just turn out differently on camera than in real life. So yeah, this video is a little delayed, but I have now not reviewed because I'm not, well, I'm kind of reviewing, but I'm also doing looks with this palette. This is my, I'm not going to talk about here. This is my favorite palette from Anastasia that I have. Of course, I don't have all of them, but from what I've seen, this is the go-to for every day. I just gave it away to my niece as a gift to her birthday. She's not a kid. She's actually 24. Yeah. I feel like every year it's always someone who was supposed to be like a kid. They're suddenly an adult. So yeah, time always flies. I sound so old when I say that. Anyways, so yes, this video is about this amazing palette. I've done 2 looks again. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do the intro with the first look, so this is the second look that I do. So the second look is more of a everyday go-to warm colors, and this look you see is a little more sultry one. I tried to do a halo eye, but the pink and the purple is kind of similar, so it's not going to be a very popping halo. It's just a very smooth halo pretty much. So this one, I'm gonna tell you why this is my favorite. First of all, you get a mirror, and you get 14 colors for the same price as the other ones. Let's see if I can do it back here. You get a brush here that I sometimes use because my grays actually come in once in a while. I even like do my little corners here. It's a really nice fluffy brush on one side like that. I think they're all the same in these palettes. Whew! Don't do that. It has both dog hairs and eyeshadow colors. Let's not do that again. But it's a little more stumpy one on this side and then more big and fluffy on this side. And I usually do then the black and then the brown. I mix those because I have like not black hair but dark brown hair. And I do that in here, or I can fill in my brows. And overall you get a perfect mix of mattes and glittery ones. Also shimmery ones, so not just full glitter. But yeah, the reason that I love this palette is because you can use it for pretty much anything. You can mix it up, you can use it with other palettes, or I mean eyeshadows or anything. You can simply use one color. Like I would recommend using just this this pink, or even just a gold one, or have one of these as a base and then the other ones on top. I mean, everything works with this one. I tell you. The only one that I'm not too sure about is this mulberry one. I'm not sure why, but every time I use it, it gets blotchy. I've tried to use more, like less synthetic and more hairy bristles, but I don't know. You really have to work with it. You really have to blend it. I feel like it's different from the other ones. I'm not sure why. Because even like Sienna, who's similar, is not the same. And this Cypress Umber, I don't know. So Mulberry is the only one that I haven't really worked with. I see that I have a little speck in there, and it's because I've used like, what's it called? I use like a setting spray on a brush, and then I've dipped in there, and it's somehow like, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. I don't know what happened. But yeah, otherwise these are amazing. These glitter ones are a little more fallout than others. Same with the dark, just a little bit. But the most important thing, these are so pigmented. Like so pigmented. And if you're not used to makeup, then just take a little bit at a time and work with it, and then just keep adding. I did that with the purple over here today. I just started with a little bit and then added on afterwards, because I know that if I put too much on my brush, it's just gonna like take over, and it's gonna be very hard to erase that. So yeah, I have one look that's a little more brownish gold, and then I have this look. And so yeah, if you want to see how to create these looks, then please keep on watching. What is this? I'm gonna hitchhike. Bye bye. Baby, don't you then I would cry. So yeah, those are the looks that I created. What do you guys think? Seriously, I love this palette. I've had this for 2 years maybe. And as you can see, there's still so much left. And this is my favorite palette. So I've definitely used this one. It's such a catch. Seriously, it's such a catch. Again, if you have used this one and you don't like it, I really like to know. Otherwise, for those who want to get a hold of it, on Sephora in America or .com, the price is $45. Again, you get 14 eyeshadows. And in Sweden, I think you can only buy it at Kicks. If I'm wrong, then let me know. And there it costs 565 crowns. It's a little more expensive. But again, this one is definitely worth every crown. So the only thing that I don't like about this is, again, these, I don't know why they put velvet on here, just to make it nasty. Like, what the heck is this? And I don't like the mulberry, like I said in the intro. I don't like this one. I like the color, like I want to work with it, but I need to find a brush or something that makes it maybe a little something that just makes it a little creamier, because it's just a little too dry for me. It's a high end. It's definitely a high end. I like the Anastasia palettes, and this one is definitely my favorite. So if you get it, if you have it, please let me know down below what you think of it. I would love to hear your input, and also which looks you like to do with it. But yeah, if you like these looks and if you like this video, then please let me know. Give a thumbs up and subscribe, please, if you want to see more videos from me. I would love also to hear your feedback so I can grow and learn. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!